Well, hello everyone. This is my Captain Trains, and I'm Mike. I was going to release a new video, and then I found that I'd got one in the can that I'd never actually got around to finishing. So here we go. I was never really sure how long the track was on her layout, so I thought I'd create something which could measure it. First question was what I needed to use to hold all the mechanism, so we went for a toad. So the next thing to consider is how I was going to do the measuring. So there we go. I filed a flat on one of the axles, fitted a magnet to it, put a little PCB in with a Hall effect sensor, and coupled up an LED. So the LED flashed as well as the sensor was activated. So here's the whole unit. Switching it on the track, you see the initializing, it says rotations in sets of 0. If we look inside the cabinet, we'll see there's a little Arduino Nano, which is a tiny processor in there, and a display, and the program on board initializes everything and makes it all work. So enough of all the theory. Does it actually work? So we started the thing off, sent it round the track on the main outside track, and counted the revs. Here we go. It's been round once. It's just about to arrive back with the answer, which I believe is 228. Typically can't read it at this distance. So 228 what, I hear you ask. So the next step was to move to a different bit of track and to measure it over a measured distance to see exactly what happened then. So I set a ruler up for a 1 metre distance, ran the loco along that length, adjusted it so it was exactly 1 metre, and then took a reading, and it came out with the answer 20. So 20 is good. That works out a scale distance of 250 feet. So I thought I'd better run it again just to see if I got the same answer. You can see the tail light flashing on and off as well in this shot. So that's all well and good. 20 revolutions is 1 metre. So the only problem now is that 228 divided by 20 is 11.4 metres, and I'm sure the actual length is longer than that. So I need to go back to the drawing board and just see what's going on now. So that's it. Back to the workshops, and don't spare the horses. Fortunately, I haven't quite sussed out the relays at this point, so there's no power on that bit of track, but it's off now. Off the way down the slope, and oops. So now you know what the rubber band's for. Anyway, that's it for this one. So in the next one, I hope to be showing something a bit more useful. But in the meantime, thank you all for looking in, and we'll see you again. Bye for now.